a style that blends classic elegance with modern simplicity, creating spaces that feel both timeless and fresh. It celebrates heritage and the art of thoughtful design. This home interior design project was carried out by Cullman Kravis Associates, a highly esteemed interior design firm based in New York City. The firm has consistently defined and redefined the landscape of luxury residential interiors since its founding in 1984 by Alyssa Cullman and the late Hedi Kravis. Their signature style is often characterized as modern traditional or fresh traditional. It is a sophisticated blend that seamlessly integrates the richness of classic design with the clean lines and contemporary appeal of modern aesthetics. The firm's overarching design philosophy often embraces an appreciation for American design heritage and the art of collecting. This makes it a natural fit for such a thematic exploration. At the heart of Cullman Kravis's approach is the belief that truly exceptional interiors are never homogeneous. Instead, they are artfully layered with periods, styles, and forms, creating an alchemy of old and new. This means a space might feature exquisite 18th century antiques, alongside striking contemporary art. It could also include custom-designed furniture that marries traditional craftsmanship with modern silhouettes, and a diverse range of textiles that add depth and texture. Their projects are never about adhering rigidly to a single era or trend. Rather, they focus on creating a timeless quality that feels both rooted in history and entirely relevant to today's living. The firm's meticulous attention to detail is legendary, extending beyond the selection of furniture and finishes. It includes the precise placement of lighting, hardware, and even electrical outlets. This comprehensive approach ensures that every element within a space contributes to the overall harmony and functionality. They are known for their ability to balance elegance with practicality.